What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan. You're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan. Today we're going to be learning part 1 of Oh Susanna. Hey guys, that was part 1 of Oh Susanna. Before we can begin, let's do a quick review of the notes that we're going to need to be able to play Oh Susanna. Don't forget to look on the sides for how to hold the recorder and how to read the music. Low E, left hand 1, 2, 3. Right hand 1, 2. Let's hear how that sounds. And our low D is left hand 1, 2, 3. Right hand 1, 2, 3. Let's hear how that sounds. And our low C is left hand 1, 2, 3. Right hand 1, 2, 3, and pinky finger 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hear how that sounds. And this one actually doesn't use B, but it is going to use A and G. So let's try to play Oh Susanna together. We're going to read the music and play it a little bit more slowly. Alright, I'm going to put Oh Susanna up on the screen. Okay, here's the written music for Oh Susanna, and let's start by looking at the notes that we have in front of us. We have eighth notes, we have quarter notes, we have a half note and a dotted half note, and also we have a quarter rest. And remember, when you're resting, you just don't do anything, you don't play. So that should just be silence. And if you're unfamiliar with the dotted half note, that's simply just a note that we hold for 3 beats. Now let's find the different pitches that we'll be playing. So as I said earlier, for this song we need to know our C, our D, our E, our G, and A, but no B. Now let's look at the time signature. The time signature in this piece is 4/4. That means that simply there are 4 beats in every bar. Now let's take a closer look at the beginning of Oh Susanna. You're going to see 2 eighth notes, just kind of by themselves in a bar all alone. Now those notes have a special name. In this particular case, those notes are called pickup notes. Normally when we start a song, your instructor or your teacher would give you a count-in. I'll give you an example of what a count-in would sound like normally. If we were playing Hot Cross Buns, I might say 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we were playing something like Mary Had a Little Lamb, I can give you a count-in again that would have 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. But for this particular piece, the count-in wouldn't be 4 beats. Those 2 notes at the beginning actually take up the last beat of the count-in. So instead of giving you a full 4-beat count-in, those pickup notes take the place of that 4th beat, and we only count in 3 beats. So let's try to play that nice and slow with the count-in. 1, 2, 3. Let's try playing again, this time a tiny bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, that's it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning part 1 of Oh Susanna. If you need to rewatch this video, go ahead and do that as many times as you like until you finish learning part 1. And then when you're ready, move on to part 2, where we can learn the ending of the song and put it together with the first part. If you like this video, as always, please hit that like button below. It helps me out a lot. And if you want to subscribe for future updates, go ahead and hit that button as well. And I'll see you guys in part 2 of Oh Susanna. What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan, and today you're watching... Hey guys, that was part 1 of Oh Susanna. Today we're going to be learning how to play that. Hey guys, that was part 1 of Oh Susanna. So today we got a... So those 2 notes are called accounting. And also, in the next video we're going to be learning more. Now let's review the notes that we need to learn for this.